In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recommendations to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're looking to enhance your profile or showcase the professional connections you've built, recommendations are a valuable way to stand out. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you'll either see an option to sign in or possibly to create a new account if you haven't signed up before. Assuming you already have a LinkedIn account, the next step is to log in. You can do this by using your Google or Microsoft account credentials, or simply enter your email address and password if you prefer that route. For those who have enabled two-factor authentication, which is a fantastic extra security measure by the way, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. You'll typically receive a code on your registered phone number, which you'll need to input to proceed. Once you're logged in successfully, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the LinkedIn page. Here, you'll see your avatar picture, which represents your profile. Click on this picture to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options provided, select View Profile. This action will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile, where you can make any needed updates or changes. As you land on your profile page, look for the button labelled Add Profile section. This is usually found just below your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. A list of potential sections you can add to your profile will appear. In the options that pop up, navigate to the section titled Recommended. Under this category, you'll notice a sub-option labelled Add Recommendations. Click this option to move forward with adding recommendations. The next screen you'll see will ask you to fill in a variety of details. It might prompt you to choose whom you want to ask for a recommendation, such as past colleagues, clients, or mentors. Providing context in your request can be helpful, so take a moment to explain why you're seeking a recommendation from this person and how this will benefit your professional journey. Once you've inputted all the necessary details, double check everything for accuracy before hitting the Save button. Saving your changes ensures that the recommendations you receive will be displayed prominently on your LinkedIn profile. This addition can make your profile more appealing to potential employers or business partners, serving as a testament to your skills and professional history. And that's it. By following these easy to understand steps, you've successfully added recommendations to your LinkedIn profile, enhancing its attractiveness and professional credibility. Remember, the more robust your profile, the better it reflects your professional prowess. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for further LinkedIn tips and tricks.